Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2025 Forest River IBEX. And this is a really nice floor plan. I think you're gonna like it. We'll get inside here in a minute. The model number is right here on the side, and we're looking at a 20FKDS. Oh, I didn't mean to pass this up. Check out the meat on those tires. Man, oh man. As a friend of mine says, knee deep in rubber. Plenty of tire tread on those. And if you want to go boondocking, this is going to get you there. And I did a video a while back where somebody said, what difference does it make on the tires? You start going sideways on a hill, and you're going to want deep tread, thick tread like that. Let's get inside and check the interior out. Excellent, excellent floor plan. Right when we walk in, look at the size of this cabinet. And it's the mirror on the bottom. So four cabinets and very deep in storage. As we scroll around, love the theater seating, center armrest. I'll put that up just to show you. Cup holders. You can sit 3 there or 2 comfortably. Refrigerator and freezer on top. We have 2 bar stools and a belly up to the bar area here. Nice countertop. We have a bank of 4 drawers. Flat screen TV, microwave oven, 3-burner cooktop, and very large cabinet here. Another very large cabinet. And then you can crawl in this one and go to sleep. Look at the size of that cabinet. So, cabinet space plenty. It has been winterized, but a very nice sink nonetheless. And love the amount of light that pours in from this window here. You also have hooks here to hang up towels or whatever you wanted to do. Utensils for cooking, tongs or whatever you wanted to use. As I just take a spin around the family room area and show you all the goodies. We'll walk into the bathroom. So you have a very nice shower enclosure, and then you also have a skylight that gives you additional headroom, and then very nice shower enclosure door, commode, sink off to the side, out of the way. Very nice sized cabinet. Really like the design on this wallpaper. And then you have additional controls here and your power readout. And then in the bedroom, wowee. So we have cabinet above, and it does go through, as you can see. Very nice. You have cabinets on both left and right, so it's just like this one here. And then you have 2 drawers. And then underneath the bed, you have drawers. And then this also lifts up. So let me kind of juggle things around here a minute, and I'll show you. Lower this down. So you have storage up front. Let me see if I can get my hand in there. Storage up there. And then you have the bank of 4 drawers. And I'm going to try to, I was just going to say, I'm going to try to lower that down, but without dropping the camera, I ended up slamming that. So thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Personally, I really like this floor plan. So again, 2025 Forest River IBEX. This is the 20FKDS. Excellent floor plan. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.